Good afternoon, dear students. Today, class 9th, actually you are having no such class today, as it is Saturday and you are having grammar as per schedule, but the syllabus, that weekly syllabus, it has been sent. There it is given that first discursive passage worksheet, that reading passage you have to do. So you have to read yourself and you have to do yourself. So there is nothing to do for you. You have to read, you have to do yourself. But tomorrow is Sunday, so that's why I think that I should make one video and I should send it to your group, because it will be helpful for you to make your fair copy. And that the form they had, this prose, this story we have learned, and what are the main points. The students, all of you, listen carefully, listen properly. That main points means that what are the characters, which are the characters, main characters, that is Tommy and Margie. Tommy is 13 years old, Margie is 11 years old. They are the children of 22nd century. First, at the beginning of the story, what was there? That diary entry by Margie, 17th May 2157 year. The year was 2157. All these things you have to remember, you have to keep in your mind, and all these things also, that at the very beginning of your fair copy you have to mention. And what is the story about? The story is about that the comparison between the schooling system of two different century. That Tommy and Margie, they are the children, they are the students of 22nd century, and at that time there is no such school like ours. They are studying from mechanical teachers. They are nothing but the robotic devices. From them they learn, and they are not habituated, they are not familiar with real books, means the books made up of papers and ink. So these are the differences of the schooling system of two different century. Another thing is that that Margie and Tommy, they are the main characters, but other characters also are there. That is Margie's mother and Mrs. Jones, and then that is the county inspector who has checked Margie's mechanical teacher, and other persons are not there. And that two different schooling system, that nowadays we are in 21st century, and that is we are having our schooling system, different buildings are there, different places are there, and that same age group students are coming from different places, and they gathered in that different classrooms, and they learn different subjects from the human beings, that the teachers are human beings. This is also a very clear difference, that the students from 22nd century, they learn from mechanical devices, mechanical teacher, their regular teachers are mechanical teachers, and the students who are learning from 21st century or before, they learn from the human being teachers. And another thing, that that the students who who are having the opportunity to go to school, they can learn very easily and with fun and happily they can learn, because that lots of students are there together, so they do not feel any burden, they never getting bored. And there also that when some students cannot understand any subject, then they can understand that subject from the other students also. So at the end of this chapter, that Margie was thinking about the children, about the students of the of 21st century, where they were getting the opportunity to come together and to go back to their home after they get over school together, and they got the opportunity to share their tiffin, and they could share everything with each other. So these are the main points that the fun they had. And another things are there, that Margie, she hated school because she was not doing in the geography, in the subject geography, when since that her age, that when she was 6 years old. And once that Tommy also having some problem in his mechanical teacher, that history sector, it was having some problem. So that's why that time that teacher was sent to what county inspector, and that time that Tommy's robotic teacher, mechanical teacher, it was kept over there for 1 month. So Tommy, that time Tommy got complete relaxation. He need not to study at that time. And almost that the similar subjects the students are studying, like mathematics, geography, history, which are mentioned over there. So that these are the main points that just in a very that within one sentence you can write, making 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, making the points in this way. So the students that maximum that the class 9 students, they are not joining that, neither they are listening the video nor they are joining the live class. And I don't know that why they are not doing that, because that now the apps we are using, clearly we can understand which students are present, which students are studying, and which students are not. Only you are creating problem for yourself, because all the opportunities you are getting, but you are not using those. So I will tell you to come over here and to join your class and to attend your class. Okay, thank you everybody. Have a nice day. Take care of yourself and be safe.